our study entitled The Effects of Sweeteners on Cake Moisture and Sweet. This research was conducted to address the growing demand for healthier achievement in sugar-baked goods while maintaining our quality and consumer satisfaction. Our primary goal was to investigate how sweeteners, namely brown sugar, white sugar, stevia, impact two critical factors in cake quality. Moisture and sweet. We believe that understanding these effects is essential in developing innovative and healthier baking solutions.
This study examines the effects of brown sugar, white sugar, and stevia. But cake moisture and sweet. Let's reveal that brown sugar and dance both properties, making it the ideal choice for high-quality cookies.
Background of the study. As consumers seek healthier alternative to sugar, understanding the impact of sweeteners on the cake quality is a vital. This research focuses on how different sweeteners affect moisture, retention, and sweetness, addressing the demand for healthier, flavorful baked goods.
Results and discussion. Sweetness like brown sugar for the highest followed by stevia and white sugar. Moisture, brown sugar, and non-moisture with limitation significantly better than the other sweeteners. Their underline the superior performance of brown sugar quality.
Methodology: experimental design. Cake were made using consistent recipes that mix sweetness, brown sugar, white sugar, and stevia. Data collection. Sensory evaluation by 30 respondents measured moisture and sweetness. Analysis. Statistical tests were applied to compare results across sweeteners.
In our findings, in the sweetness test, brown sugar consistently received the highest rating for sweetness across all cake samples, followed by stevia and white sugar. In moisture test, cake made with brown sugar also showed the highest moisture retention, which those with stevia has lower rating due to its hygroscopic nature. These findings indicate that brown sugar enhances both moisture and sweetness effectively, making it optional choice for traditional cake recipes.
This study demonstrated several science to provide insight into the optimal use of sweeteners. It aids in developing healthier cakes without compromising quality, catering to the consumer and thus with regular restrictions.
Brown sugar is the most effective sweetener for both moisture and sweetness, making it the top choice for baking. Alternative sweeteners like stevia require adjustments to improve moisture retention.
We conclude that brown sugar is the most effective sweetener for enhancing cake quality. However, for health-conscious consumers, we recommend combining stevia with other moisture-retaining ingredients to balance sweetness and texture. Future research should explore other natural sweeteners such as honey, coconut sugar, and their effects on additional aspects of cake quality. In conclusion, this bridges the gap between the increasing demand for healthier baking options and the need to aim quality in the bakery goods. We believe findings will inspire bakers, food scientists to innovate healthier yet decision recipes. now open your questions.